Okay, good evening, folks. Here is our version of the song I'm Yours by Jason Mraz. Baguhin natin.
Well, you done me, you bet I felt it. I tried to get you, but you're so hot that I melted. I fell right through the cracks, and I'm trying to get back. Before the cool down run out, I'll be giving it my best. There's nothing's gonna stop me but divine intervention. I reckon it's a good matter to win some or learn some, but I won't hesitate no more, no more. It cannot wait. I'm yours. Well, open up your mind and see like me. Open up your plans and then you're free. Look into your heart and you'll find love, 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 love. Listen to the music of the moment, people dance and sing. We're just one big family, and it's your God-forsaken right to be loved, love, 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 love. So I won't hesitate no more, no more. It cannot wait. I'm sure there's no need to complicate. Our time is short. This is our fate. I'm yours. Do 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 do. Wants to come on? Oh, she will look something that whenever you hear, soon they found my humble boy. Whoa, I've been spending way too long checking my tongue in the mirror and bending over backwards just to try to see it clearer. My breath fog up the glass, so I do in your face and laugh. I guess what I am saying, there's no any better reason to rid yourself of anything just to wait the seasons. What we aim to do, our name is our virtue, but I won't hesitate no more, no more. It cannot wait. I'm yours, and I would open up your mind and see like me. Open up your plans and then you're free. Look into your heart and you'll find the skies is yours. So please don't, please don't, please don't. There's no need to complicate, 'cause our time is short. This is our fate. I'm yours. Pra-pam, pa-pam, babe. Whoa, I'm yours. Whoa, I'm yours. Oh, better to believe I'm yours. You must believe, you must believe, you must believe I'm yours.
So that's it. Song called I'm Yours by Jason Mraz.